Alafia, I want to share you guys this direction for lock. Very effective. Okay, this leaf is called Tegbesuma. You guys know say I be a man. I don't know the name for English for Nigerian language. The political name I write it okay. Tegbesuma. This leaf have a history. This leaf is a leaf of war, prosperity. Tegbesuma, it does not catch fire. The whole house can burn. The whole leaf honestly can burn. But that Tegbesuma, if you see it in land, like to burn, the other leaf will burn. Him will never burn. That's the power God gave him. Have you seen where fire is burning? Go and check California or Arizona, Amazon fire outbreak in America. You see where fire they burn. Rah, bush is burning. Tegbesuma, if Tegbesuma is that plant is in that bush, it will not catch fire. I kid you not. That's the power that God gave him. But for me, now I want to give you a direction of what you will do with this leaf and you prosper. Tegbesuma, get the leaf. Get the leaf. 41 or 101 or 201. Get the leaf 201. Pound it very well. Mix it with soap. I can relax it for you. Pay me, I'll do it for you. Mix it with soap. Relax it by yourself. Mix it with soap, okay? When you mix the soap, my brother, my sister, you that have been looking for husband for years, you can't find. My sister, under 21 days of using the soap, you will find a man. I'm talking to you. I kid you not. Under 21 days, 3 weeks now. Now I tell you now, you go bath farm, morning, afternoon, night. Continue the bath farm for 21 days. You go find that bubble. I know they play with you. I know you flow it. I know you flow they shan't it. I'm not kidding with you. This Tegbesuma. Okay, if you're a woman, you're a man, the same thing. You now, you're using soap. You bring you prosperity. You open doors for you. Your business is shaking. It will be stable. Where is in the soap? This soap, this leaf is very strong. I will give you another direction again. This leaf does. This leaf, you are going somewhere far, a bad area. Or you are Harrison, Igbechi, Harrison that's always going to go and meet kidnappers in the bush. Harrison, if you see this video, I beg you use this research. Harrison, get this leaf. Record Tegbesuma. Get a cola. Enter you are going. Carry one cola. Carry one. Drop. Carry one cola and 1 5 naira. Drop on the root of that Tegbesuma. The leaf. You carry the leaf and one cola. You chop. My brother, my sister. Even though it's accident, if you want to jam me, you will disappear with 2 people on the other side. I kid you not. It's not magic. It's leaf. The leaf is called Tegbesuma. There's a warrior in Abome. In Abome. This man is a warrior. Very strong warrior. Nobody is a very strong warrior. Whenever he used to go to hunt, fight, it does not kill him. Anytime you want to go, you go there, you take this leaf small, bam. You will chop with cola and go. You come back successfully. But the day that he married a new wife, he want to go and fight the village of his new wife. The day of going, the new wife, when you come, the new wife want to go and cut that plant, cut the leaf. He looked for the leaf, he didn't go, he went to the war, they killed him. That's history. That's one of the history of mankind, of this leaf called Tegbesuma. So a very strong plant. Have it planted in your house. It's very scarce to find. Very scarce. It's very scarce to find, but it's there in Nigeria. I saw it in Umuayahan, in Okorodo, in Bitoli, Umuayahan. I saw it in Umuayahan. I also saw it in Worubi, in Worubi, in Bitoli, Imo State, Nigeria. I saw it there. Okay, when I went there for teaching for the demonstration. Okay, I went there. I saw it there. Okay. I also saw it again in Badagry now. In Badagry West, in close to Seme Road. After Owode, I saw it there. The leaf is there. I use it for some people. The leaf is there in Nigeria there. Okay. In here, the Republic is plenty here too. Okay. I love you. Please share this live. Share this video. Let other people hear my voice and use it. And tag Harrison. That man is trying. Harrison is trying. The guy is going to inside bush. Typing people. Tag him so you can see this video and help himself too. I love everybody. I love you all.